Harvey here in my Amplify AI workshop again with Bad Benny showing you how to produce bad HeyGen AI talking videos. Well, without further ado, here's Bad Benny.
Harvey, thanks for that bad introduction. Okay, here goes. I tried using that new face aging app. The app said, "No, you're good." Didn't like that one? Okay, how about this one? A friend called me old fella. I thought he said old yella, so I bit him. I know that was really bad. Next, 2 men knocked on my front door today and asked if I would kindly donate to a new local swimming pool that's being built. So I gave them a bottle of water. That's all I got today. Now, back to Harvey.
Thanks, Benny. And yes, those jokes were really bad. For those who made it through those bad jokes and are now watching me walking along a sandy beach in Hawaii, congratulations. As you can see and hear, I'm having the time of my life creating these HeyGen AI videos. Okay, in the last Bad Benny production, I was playing with the neighborhood dogs in the front of my house. Now like magic? I'm now in Hawaii on vacation. Want to learn how you can use the magic of this HeyGen AI video generation software for yourself? Join me in the Amplify AI workshop, and I'll show you how we can produce some of these AI videos for yourself creating a free HeyGen account. Click on the link in the description of this video. Follow the instructions to create your free Amplify AI workshop account. Now, click on the Community tab. You will see Write Something. In that area, type a request that I produce a free custom HeyGen AI talking video just for you. You know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside. Harvey out.